Dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about chemical properties of alkenes. Alkenes have a general formula of CnH2n. I'm telling you again. So this is very important. Alkenes, the first thing we need to know what is their general formula. Okay, we have studied a homologous series of alkenes. So the first chemical property of alkenes is combustion. Combustion basically it is a burning of fossil fuel. So when we burn like say methane, ethane, propane, like alkanes, similarly we can burn alkenes. For example, we take an example of ethene, that is C2H4. This is first member of alkene. The first member of alkene is not methane because methane has only one carbon. We cannot show double covalent bond. That is why methane don't exist. Keep in mind. Okay, sometimes this question can be asked. So as the first member which is alkene in alkene is ethene. When ethene is burnt in excess air, so it will be producing carbon dioxide and steam. So this is a gas, this is a gas, this is a gas, and this is a gas, means steam. So next reaction is addition reaction. In addition reactions, basically in alkanes we have studied that they undergo substitution reaction because they are saturated, but here alkenes are unsaturated. The unsaturated hydrocarbons, they don't undergo substitution reactions, they undergo addition reactions. So addition reactions are the reactions in which two or more than two reactants combine to make a single large product. No byproduct is formed in case of alkanes. Along with product, there is a byproduct. For example, HCl, when methane react with chlorine in UV light, it produces chloromethane. Along with that, HCl as a byproduct is produced. But here, in case of alkenes or addition reactions, you see they are unsaturated, they have double covalent bond, their valencies are not fully satisfied. So you can see from this, this is the structure of ethene. It has two carbon, four hydrogen atom, one double covalent bond. When it reacts with bromine, what will be produced? First of all, this bond will be broken. Then this bond will be broken. Electron between the carbon atoms will be attacked by the bromine atom, and the double bond will be broken. And what will happen when the double bond will be broken? One Br will come on this carbon, like say this is the intermediate state, this intermediate basically. So after this it will be produced C single bond C, like this. One Br will be attached here, one Br will be attached here. One on one carbon, other is on another carbon. Hope you understand. So this is known as 1,2-dibromoethane. 1, 2. The position of Br atoms. 1,2-dibromoethane. No need to worry about how this name was made, what is the rule. So rule I have already explained to you in alkane lesson. Please do so. See that one. In case of alkene, we have to prefer the double bond. The side from which double bond comes first, that is numbered from that side. For example, this is first carbon, this is second carbon. So we will write ethene 1-ene. Similarly, if we have propene like this or butene, 4 members, if we write double bond here, it will be but 2-ene. Why but 2-ene? Because after second carbon, if we number the chain, numbering is always done from one side, not from the middle. So the position of the double bond is after second carbons. That's why we write but 2-ene. Hope you understand. So the naming of the alkenes or organic compounds that usually don't ask in the CAI examination, but you need to know only the chemical properties of alkenes. So what is produced? when alkene react with oxygen, when they react with bromine, when they react with chlorine. Hope you understand. If you have any question in this, you must keep in mind. This reaction is very important according to CAIE examination because reaction of alkenes with bromine water, bromine water is a brown liquid basically. The brown color of bromine will be discharged. It will become colorless whenever it will react with ethene. So this is the final product formed when ethene react with bromine water. So if we are asked to differentiate between ethane and ethene by chemical test, so this is the reaction. We will add bromine into ethane and ethene both. In case of ethane, there will be no color change of the bromine because bromine does not react with ethane at room temperature. While with ethene, alkenes, bromine does react and its color will be discharged. In case of alkanes, the reddish brown color of the bromine will remain unchanged. Hope you understand this question is very, very important. How to test for unsaturation. Again, this test is very important. Wherever there is double covalent bond, bromine color will be changed, colorless. Hope you understand. Okay. Uh, please do practice on other, alkenes reaction. For example, propene with bromine water. We can also call it bromine water because it is bromine aqueous. Okay. Next, we have other examples. Like say if we burn propene, let's see. If we see this, there are other addition reactions. For example, alkenes, when added to hydrogen, they become saturated. Saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbon, when we say that means double bond is finished and the product becomes alkane. So in this case, see this. This is ethene. When ethene reacts with hydrogen, it produces ethane. So this is how it happens. Basically, this is a double bond of ethene. This is hydrogen. The hydrogen bond is broken. Here, double bond is broken. Then one hydrogen go to this carbon, the other hydrogen go to this carbon. So what will be produced? Ethane will be produced. If we have a propene, like so this one, this is propene. In case of propene, you see again hydrogen can be added. So we have to add anything across the double bond. I have finished the double bond. Now these two electrons are available from the bond broken. Now these hydrogen atoms, one of them will come here to make covalent bond. Other will come here to make covalent bond. Other are covalent bond with hydrogen atoms which are already shown like this. I have not, here are hydrogen atoms. So you have to write these in the examination, otherwise your answer will be wrong. That's it for today, inshallah. See you in the remaining chemical properties of alkenes. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.